guy just stopping right here. Like, come on, buddy. Let's go for crying out loud. What a mess. Look at this. Like, it started snowing pretty hard at what, almost 1 o'clock, I think. Nice. Hello everybody, welcome again to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob and Sage here today. We are just coming to the end of January and it is a absolute crazy mess outside. Huge snowstorm hitting us here in the Toronto region here of Canada. Ooh, doggy. Is it locking? There we go. Just heading out with Sage, my boy, here, going over to Pacific Mall. This is where we get our graphics done for the MT09. So I'm just kind of giving you guys a heads up as to the progress of the bike build. Oh, Jesus, man, that's crazy. Here, anyways, Pacific Mall here in Toronto, Ontario. If you want to Google that, you can figure that out. We are over here. We're coming to get some graphics for the MT09 for the wheels. As you've seen on my last year's model, I'm going to do that similar to that for this year's model as well. So other than that, still got lots of stuff left set aside for the bike. Still lots of things to install on the bike, so I haven't gotten to that yet. But while we're out and running around getting this all, we want to get our graphics done here. So let's go over here and I'll show you how things are done. May, how are you? This is May again. You guys have seen her on my Instagram channel, so now we are actually going to make the video for the It's a Dyer Thing, as long as you're okay, because I'm coming here today to get some decals for you guys. So Station 28 in Pacific Mall, come and check these guys out. They have absolutely everything you need to do. I came here on Sunday, or I came here on yeah, because because
the other guy, they only work on Sunday.
Okay.
They don't really remember me.
That is so bad. I came in and I said, oh, you know, I wanted to come and check some stuff out, and I said, is May still here, I hope? And they're like, no, May doesn't work here no more. So,
That's 2 May,
oh my God.
May quit already.
I got so scared, I got so scared. I'm like, oh no. So anyways, so I have some stuff here that I'd like you to do if you don't mind. So let me run through all the little dib-dabs and whatnot like that, and we'll kind of show you the outcome videos of this, or the outcome decals as to what we're doing here. So lots of people, like the amount of people that are asking me, oh, where do you get your decals and how do you do it? So I give them all the sizes and everything and the information and all that. So they're super good.
They told me like they already ready all the sizes.
Yeah.
Just told me I want to do exactly the same as your regular customer. Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
That's so awesome. So last year was the bike, a black bike, right? So now this year I have
You got a new bike?
It's the new one, which is a blue one.
For yourself or for your son?
My son has a different one. Yeah, my son has a off-road bike. So that's my son. So he's gonna have to do some decals too, right? So we're gonna come in and do that. I need Hi-Vis yellow, fluorescent yellow this time. Yeah, we're going.
And we have different kind of yellow.
Oh, okay. I was looking at one.
I think
lemon
yellow. Yeah.
I think, yeah, the guy pulled out a sheet and he showed me one that was
the neon yellow.
Oh, neon yellow. That's the one we need. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do, eh? Neon yellow. That's gonna be cool.
Yes.
Yeah, badass. Woohoo!
You said no longer than 3.5. Is it?
Yeah, because you said, if I said 6.5 and you're saying 9 inches, 9 inches. That's long.
Yeah, but 3.5 is only like that tall.
Okay, we got everything sorted out here. As for sizes, as for colors, you're all good on that. So we got our fantastic May here. She's going to now work on the computer, get it plotted out, get it ready. So we're gonna walk around.
Custom make whatever design you want. If you want your own design, you can custom make it yourself, save it as a JPEG file, and we can do it for you here.
There you go. See, JPEG file. Even actually, you and I last time, we just worked off of Google Images, and you just found it, right? So honestly, these guys can do absolutely everything. Like here, just to kind of give you some ideas on stuff, anything and everything imaginably possible, these guys do it. So we'll let you get to work and we'll be back in a couple of minutes. So we're just still walking around here, just waiting for us to pick up the those decals here. So this again is a Pacific Mall. This is a kind of like a Chinese mall where you can come out and get everything that you need for all your necessities, from clothes to gear to phone covers to electronics. What else? They have all sorts of stuff here, right? Man, it's a big place. Normally it's like super crowded, super busy, but just due to the fact that we're having our snowstorm here in Toronto, it's absolutely super quiet. So anyways, if you guys are ever in the neighborhood of the Toronto region, come and check it out. Google it. Puffball Mall. Pacific Mall here, Steeles and Kennedy.
How's the traffic outside?
It is crazy, my dear. You are going to take a very long time to get home. It is.
I'm living in McCowan and Major Mac.
McCowan Major Mac, yeah. It's normally, how long does it take you?
15 to
15,
20 minutes.
so
Probably an hour today.
I think unfortunately it's going to take an hour today, yeah. So now they're just
crazy.
taking off. It's finished cutting and now they're just kind of peeling it off. So there you go. So that's the dark side of Japan, and that's going to go onto the side covers and the MT. Awesome. That's super good, man. And there we go. Now we're plotting out the Yamaha and the MT09 for the yellow wheels. So my wheels are yellow, and it's going to be blue decal. And then this cover that is on here is blue side cover with yellow decal. So there we go. MT09 and Yamaha. So that's for the front. That's 1 inch high, yeah. So 1 inch high and then 1.6. Yep, and then that's for the back wheel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys. Again, come and check these guys out. May at Station 28. Again,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yeah,
You take
see
care.
next time.
Be careful out there, okay? I.
Ride.
Pardon me?
In the summer.
I will. I owe you a ride for sure. Okay, I owe her a ride. There you go. Awesome. Okay. So let's head back out. Actually, I also have to still pick up some other stuff, but let's go and eat first. Right? Let's go and eat, and we'll stay tuned until a little bit later. Give you an idea on how it worked out on the wheels. Thank you so much. Okay, take care. Bye 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 bye. So, and yeah. All right. We don't have any tonight? No. Oh my god. All right. So we've finally got all the yeah, I gotta check the mail too. Got all the decals done and everything like that, and all the running around. Okay. All right, well, we're back again here at Pacific Mall because I kind of messed up on some little portion of the decals that I was doing for the wheels. So we're just heading back over here to Station 28 at Pacific Mall to go finally pick up the actual decals. So hang on with us, and once I get them and we're done and finalized and back home, and I'll get them installed onto the actual wheels, I'll kind of give you guys the overview of the finish of this product. So hang in with us. Okay, we're back here. So thank God to May here. Like I said, I made mistakes on my actual graphics in my sizes. So my awesome May, she made the fix for me here. So again, like I said, we'll get these things installed back onto the wheels, and you can see actually the finalized product once it's done. But again, come and check it out, Station 28, guys. You have my link. You have the link.
Yeah.
So once it's up, you'll see.
Yeah, okay.
And subscribe. Okay. Bye bye. Bye. What?
You don't see it?
Huh?
Absolutely certain that these
You don't see it.
procedures
Next to
are not going to result
K&N.
in contact with the vehicle.
Next to the K&N.
No, up to the left.
Up to the left.
Oh my god, you're like blind.
I don't even know what you're talking. There's so much to look at. Fortnite?
No,
What?
K&N.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that dark side of Japan. That's awesome. Dark side of Japan sticker, girl. I like it. Okay. Bye bye bye. All right. There we go. So now we got the stickers. They're done, finalized. Let's get them onto the wheels, and then we can show you exactly what it looks like. So stay tuned. Okay. So after all our running around that we had done tonight here, as you've seen just earlier before on the videos, I ran into a small snag in regards to the size specs that I wanted to redo my graphics on my wheels. So right now we've got the back wheel here, and so we've done the actual Yamaha and the MT09. So the Yamaha is going to go on the one side and the MT09 is going to go on the other. So the size specs I will actually put in the descriptions down. This is going to be both for the front wheel and the back wheel. So hang on, and I'll kind of video as I'm going through that. Due to the fact that it is round and there is an edge, if you don't modify your cuts, it's not going to fit on perfectly. So you want everything to align up nicely with the wheel inside. So what I normally do is actually I take a pair of scissors and I just kind of cut on each portion here, so you can kind of get a contour, a curve, in order for it to fit on nicely. Anyways, you'll see what I mean as I do this, so just hang in there and I'll get everything sorted out, done. And if you have any questions, please let me know after.
Oh, you cut it off?
No, I don't cut it off. I just kind of trim it, because what happens is
Oh yes.
the decal
Curve it.
has no curve to it, right? So by doing this, it allows me to kind of play a little bit on the
Yes.
on the angle, so you get a proper install. The important part is, yeah, aligning these top of these letters to the inside of the bridge there, right? So, and I like to use the,
It's still recording in it.
yeah, I like to use the valve in regards to where I want. So the wheels are already clean anyways. Really nice. From. So let me just get that aligned.
Is it nice?
No, it's good enough like that.
Now what happens to all that stuff on the outside?
All the stuff.
Oh,
on
you
the
peel
outside.
that off?
Yeah.
Wait, you do?
The transfer paper, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
This just stays like that. Just helps you transfer it on, right?
Yeah.
There you go, and then peel that off. All right. And there we go. See? And then it's not going to be used for quite some time. It's going to
Stay there?
really set in place. Alright, so there, we just finished applying the Yamaha portion of it, and now I'm just kind of brushing it down before I take the transfer paper off. But anyways, you get the gist of it. It's fairly simple. Bet you'll see.
Would these get affected by the sun?
All
Start to fade maybe?
yeah, after a while, yeah, it might fade. So there you go. So that's it. So done the back wheel, and now we'll finish off and we'll do the front wheel, and then we'll be done for the wheels itself. All right. Okay, we are done now officially. So here is the front wheel and the back wheel. As you can see, the back now it has the both MT09 on the one side and Yamaha on the other side, whereas here the front wheel, we've kind of did it reverse, where we have the Yamaha on the one side and the MT on the other. When I say that is because the back wheel MT09 is on the right side, and the front wheel, the Yamaha, is on the right side. So it kind of makes everything absolutely uniform and whatnot like that. So again, thank you very much for tuning in here to It's a Dyer Thing, and please like, subscribe, comment, suggest, reach out to us. Like I said, I will put the specifications down at the bottom for you. So if you have any questions, yeah, let me know, and hopefully this helps you guys out in regards to how to install the decals on your rims for your MT09 or any bike for that fact. Stay tuned, we have a lot more to come. I did receive a couple of items today, so unfortunately, just due to the bad weather, as you saw earlier, it's kind of put a little bit of a delay on everything that we're doing here. So again, be safe, take care, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.